It was the last train of the night. No announcements, no people. Just silence. And yet, it still arrived.
The doors opened slowly. Inside, there was no one. Not a single passenger. He stepped inside, expecting someone. Anyone. But the silence followed him in, and the train felt completely empty. The doors closed behind him. There was no sound from outside, no movement, just the quiet click of something sealing shut. Without warning, the train began to move. No announcement, no signal. Just motion into the darkness.